Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Tribute Duoface Small Seconds Reference Q398847J. with a black face and a white face. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. I'll finally try it on and give you my thoughts. Let's start with just a little bit of history in that the JLC or Jaeger-LeCoultre also came out in around 1930. So that means that the design is almost 100 years old. Yeah, that's right. A very long design, and I would actually credit JLC with being the first and the most notable watch with this rectangular shape. I don't think anybody else can really do the rectangular shape quite like Jaeger-LeCoultre has, and yeah, it's quite a beautiful watch, and they've really done it. They've really taken this rectangular shape and ran with it like no other. Patek makes a rectangular shape, but nothing like the Jaeger. And yeah, you might say that Richard Mille has done the same. Yes, they have, but I don't think that is really a rectangular shape. That is a tonneau shaped. It's like a rectangle, but slightly different. Okay, so there you have it. That's just a little bit of history. Now, they got a lot of different variations when it comes to the Reverso. They have the mono face, which is just one face. You turn it over and it becomes a solid case back. And then they have a duo face, which means when you turn it over, it has another face on the other side. So this one is actually a duo face. In fact, not only is it a duo face, it's also a boutique exclusive. And at least as of 2026 or 2025, I think is when it came out, it's a new model. And that means you can only get it at the boutique, not at a authorized dealer. And also, if you want to get it at a discount, by the way, you can go to jazztime.com or click on the link in the description below to buy it there. Okay, the watch retails for $14,800, but we're selling it for way less than that at jazztime.com, under $10,000 even. So yeah, it would be in your benefit to go there, and it would be in our benefit too, because we want to sell watches, which is why we're making this video, so that you can watch it in the comfort of your own home, learn about the watch, and decide to buy it from jazztime.com. Okay, so with that, let's start and talk about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now the case is 47 millimeters, okay, 47 from top to bottom. That means from 12 to 6, that's 47, which is a pretty large size actually, but it's only 28 millimeters going from 9 to 3. So it's long and skinny, which is what a rectangle is. And so yeah, it's a nice shape. It has this beautiful shape, but it's a large size. Not too large. 47 millimeters is still going to fit going 9 to 3 on almost all guys' wrists, even though it's large. And yeah. Okay, so what else can we say about it? Well, it has its typical beautiful look of the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso, in that the top part, it has these angled lugs that go toward the bracelet that allow it to look still rectangular, yet have a bit of a sleekness to it, I would say. And then also has these, on the case itself, you have these sort of 3 lines that also, it doesn't do anything other than looks aesthetically cool. I mean, if they just completely made it flat, I don't think it would look as cool. So having it with these lines just really makes it look that much more cool. I'm sure there's some kind of significance to it, but I've noticed that these lines kind of delineate the top to bottom and break it up a little bit, gives it some depth, if you will. And so yeah, it looks really nice this way. A perfect watch to fit under the cuff of your suit in a dress watch setting or something like that. Okay, so the case, as I just said, it's 47 top to bottom, 12 to 6, and 28 left to right. So 47 by 28. And the thickness, you'll get this is crazy. The thickness is actually 10 millimeters, considering that its thickness is 10 millimeters and then it has 2 faces. Most watches can't even make one face with 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters is surprisingly thin, okay? So yeah, that's quite nice. I mean, let's start talking about the watch. Since we're talking about the case, let's go in, and it's all high polish, by the way, so that's also makes it also look very classy. let's start talking about the dial here a bit, because I think that's pretty cool. They actually made a previous version of this, but it wasn't quite as cool. This one has small seconds in the sense that the seconds are at the bottom and they're small. That's why they call them small seconds. They have another version that was a kind of a square, but they didn't have quite nice of hands. This one's a boutique exclusive, so it really has all the bells and whistles. Let's start with the black side, okay? And you on the black side, you'll get the hands that are going to be dolphin hands. Dolphin, kind of like these little like triangles almost. And they have the hour markers that also match that. The hour markers, if you look at them, they're rectangular, but they're pointed at the end, all pointing toward the center with a small seconds at the bottom. You know, a lot of brands are doing it like this. Like Patek Philippe even is having hour markers that look like this. For example, on their chronograph perpetual calendar 5270. Yeah, it's just really nice hands. It looks very modern, and they keep it in black. They call it night and day, right? Daytime, nighttime. You can, when you're wearing your black tuxedo, you can switch it to this, and you have the small seconds at the bottom. I think it's pretty cool, right? All right, and they call this the recto dial. I don't know what the recto means. It probably means something in some language. But anyways, it's black and it's sunray finished, okay? And on the other side, they have a silver dial, but to me it looks white, okay? So I'm going to call it white dial. So white dial on one side, black dial on the other side. You still have the same second hand, small seconds, but then you have this day and night thing on the left and right, which I think is also kind of cool. Yeah, it's quite a nice way to do it. Okay, and yeah, I mean the dial, I just think it looks much more how you would say modern. Okay, let's look at here the movement. Now the movement, you can't see it because both sides are covered, but you can see a picture of it on their website, which actually I can describe to you, or you can go there and look at yourself. But check this out. They have 160 components, right? It's manual winding, and that's to be expected considering the thing is only 10 millimeters thick, so they had to put literally 2 dials, 2 hands, and a movement, and make it 10 millimeters. I mean, that's quite a feat, right? And they were able to do that with just 160 components, and yeah, in just one barrel. And it even has a power reserve of 42 hours, which is not bad considering that, you know, it's a two-sided watch. Okay, so that's that. And let's look at the strap here. Now, the boutique exclusive actually comes with this much nicer strap than the other ones. It's sort of like a leather canvas combo. And if you ask me, it makes the watch really look more modern, right? You could wear this sort of leather canvas band. I could see you easily wearing it with a, I wouldn't say sporting setting, but more of a sporty type setting, or more casual setting. Let's just say like slacks and, you know, button-up shirt, but not necessarily like a tux or something. But if you wanted to, you definitely could do that. So anyways, I like the strap. I think it's quite nice. Yeah, and it has the signature JLC type buckle, which I had never seen anyone else. If you look at the backside, look, the backside is all canvas, right? So you definitely could wear this. You know, let's just say you were dressed nicely, a nice sweater or a nice, shirt on. It doesn't have to be a button up, but it still would look really nice. And the other thing is, you can actually switch this. They provide a calfskin, and you can actually switch it with a calfskin if you like. So it's all black instead of this. So you can make it more sporty or less sporty depending on the band. And yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I mean, in my opinion, it's really quite nice. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist. Now, primarily, I would say this is for a man, but definitely a woman can wear it considering that it's not that big. And I like the size of it. Reverso is a really cool watch. And for the price point, I think, you know, buying something like this under $10,000 when it retails for $15,000, you know, at jazztime.com is really quite a bargain from the value standpoint. And so I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. And, you know, this is a watch that I believe a lot of men could benefit from them. You don't always have to go after what other guys are going after, which is, you know, Rolex and, you know, Patek and AP. There's other brands out there too. Jaeger-LeCoultre is one of them. And getting this watch at quite a good discount, you know, you get to get something a little different. All right, so look, if you want to buy at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.